How to convert APK file to IPA file. Now, the very first thing that you need to fully understand is you cannot directly convert APK files into IPA files. What you want to do is just to go ahead and use Flutter Build APK that is built for iOS so that you can run the next project. Now use any working web browser on your mobile phone on your laptop or PC, and then just simply type in Flutter Build APK. Then here, just simply download it on your device or on your laptop. Launch your app or launch your app project in Xcode, and then just simply choose the generic iOS device. Go to the product menu and choose clean, and then choose archive in the product menu, and then choose the APK file into IPA file. And there you have it. It's how you convert APK to IPA file.